Morning, everybody. Welcome to Auto Magic Adventures. Today's going to be a great day. We'll get out on the water and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. We already got a full boat ramp almost. People are coming out to, obviously I think we're in the right spot. I'm going to do what we're doing. We're going to catch some fish today, I believe. Got Lashley and Kate and me. Stay tuned. Okay guys, take a look at the rod here. You see it doing this little dance? That's a good action on a 360 flasher. We're sporting the Akuma Guide Select Classic. I'm at Cold Water Reel. This is a 10-6 rod. 65-pound braided line, and then over here we've got a triangle flasher going. That's why it's not doing its jiggy jig. And then back here, what do you got? A triangle too?
Yes.
Okay. Ted's got a triangle. That's what worked for him last time, so we're not changing it until it doesn't work. And quick access. We got the net ready to rock in case we get one. Beautiful morning today. Okay guys, here's a quick pro tip. So this is the little spinner setup I got. When I went on a guided fishing trip, instead of tying the end of your leader, I don't know if you can see that very well, but instead of tying it to the other thing, you snap swivel it, or you just snap it like this. That way if you do get a fish and it's fighting and it's like flopping around in the net, all you got to do is unhook this and keep that with the fish, and then all the other gear, like all of your spinners and your weights and everything, that doesn't have to be attached and make a mess with the net. So pro tip, there you go. Okay guys, one more quick pro tip just for fun. See, this is a little piece of elastic. Well, I made it and I slid a little hole in it right down the middle, and I stick the line through there, so if I want to get some line out, I can cut it off, and then I can always tighten up my line by doing this, so when I'm done I don't have the line going anywhere. It's just a little tag end of it when it's done.
As a seasoned dental hygienist, you should never bite your fishing line.
What about your weights?
No.
No.
Nothing.
Okay.
Don't put anything in your mouth.
Okay. This is what it looks like if you're doing a 360 flasher. Spins just like that. Okay, this is probably old news for people that have fished before, but and now I've got a weight, and then I'm just trolling the herring. Tell me in the comments if that looks like it's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, we can do it. We can rock like this and say, hit us.
Don't see a barge every day when you're out fishing. It's kind of cool. you Automagic adventurers. I think we're on our last pass. So far the river has not produced any volunteers. We're gonna see if we can get lucky here in the last little bit. Ooh, I just heard a volunteer. Come on up. Fish just jumped right there. Right. All right, guys. Automagic Adventures strikes again. We didn't get any fish, but we definitely gave it our college try. Now boat's out there waiting. My job is to grab the truck, the trailer, and bring it in. Back it down so we can put the boat on it. Thanks for watching. Sorry, this will probably be a pretty short video since we didn't catch anything. Not much point in having a huge video on it, but I did do some tech, whatever you call it, little tips for how to fish. Maybe you guys found that interesting. Let me know if you did. If you didn't, I'll stop doing it. Thanks. Have a good one.